English word meaning practice. Dharam, religion, religion. Sambandh, connection, connection. Jimedar, responsible, responsible. Koi, anybody, anybody. Chikitsa, treatment, treatment. Bibahit, married, married. Abibahit, single, single. Sundar, beautiful, beautiful. Mamla, case, case. Prakriya, process, process. Balidan, sacrifice, sacrifice. Dekbhal, care, care. Prathamik, primary, primary. Sat, with, with. Uske bina, without him, without him. Prayog, use, use. Suruat, beginning, beginning. Lakshya, target, target.